Sometimes life is good, but then the trouble comes my way. But whatever happens, Lord, I thank you for this day. And when I'm feeling trouble, lift my hands and pray that you will be done in the rain or sun. Oh, it's a beautiful day. I don't want to add to my anxiety, 'cause tomorrow I'll be fall down on my face. Lord, I thank you for sunshine, thank you for rain, thank you for joy, thank you for pain. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day. Lord, I thank you for sunshine, thank you for rain, thank you for joy, thank you for pain. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day. I wanna thank you, Lord, for love and care and blessing that we share. I thank you, Lord, for food we eat, for all the friends we meet. I thank you, Lord, for love we share, for every tears. I thank you, Lord, that you have cared when I'm scared. I thank you, Lord, for every day. I wanna thank you, Lord, that you won't stay. I thank you, Lord, for guiding. And then I thank you for the blessing, because no one cannot do my mighty, 'cause tomorrow I'll be fall down on my face. Lord, I thank you for sunshine, thank you for rain.
Diba ang ganda?
Naghihintay sa ating dalangin. Lupang umaw sa pag-ibig. Naghihintay sa ating dalangin.
Sana natin ang mundo magtago papalayo sa mas tahimik at payapang mundo. Bumubulong ang hanging amihan at huni ng ibon. Dumudulog at tinatawag na tayo ng mundo.
Ah, yeah.
Okay, isa. Feeling ka naman.
Hanging habagat at hampas ng alon, dumudulog at niyayakag na tayo ng karagatan. Nananabig ang puso kong masilayan ng takip silim. Nauuhaw ang kaluluwang makita ang bukang liwayway.
Kwentuhan, kapulastukan, hindi manlilimutan ng asaran na merong pikunan. Lalo na rin ang unang niligawan, unang kabiguan, at dyan nagsiseloso ang usapan. Ang pagdadamayan ng tunay at tapat na kaibigan, o mga buwang kaibigan. lubang maaasahan. Whoa. O di na tayo papata, edad ay di na hahalata. Sa mga trip unti-unti na tayong nagsasawa. Pero kahit ganon, barkadang matatag hanggang sa ngayon. Minsan lang magkita, tsak may kwela. Yan ang aking mga tropa.